Welcome to our video on streamlining content creation with AI. Today we will uncover how AI can speed up your content strategy. AI can be used for different kinds of content creation tasks, such as writing blog posts, creating social media content, and even generating video scripts. In today's fast-paced digital world, creating high-quality content quickly is crucial. But how can we achieve that? AI tools can help by automating repetitive tasks, generating ideas, and even creating content. Using AI in content creation offers numerous benefits, including increased efficiency, consistency, and the ability to scale your efforts. So let's have a look how AI transformed my content creation process and strategy. So let's break down how I create content. So the first step is gathering your content. Second, you have to make a selection of the topics you want to talk about. The next step is creating an article, checking it by tone and voice, and then creating a video. After all this work, we now have to publish it and promote it, and at last we create a newsletter to tell our readers that we have created new content. To gather content from the web, I use an RSS reader. In my case, it's Feedly. This reader will pull all articles from different kinds of sources into one location. I have also different kinds of groups in LinkedIn that I will follow and scan my feed for specific topics. Medium is also a great source. You can scan there for topics or articles that interest you. And of course, YouTube. Do a search on some topics that you're interested in and scan the videos. Check out what kind of videos you like and keep them aside. Of course, there is a lot of sources on the web. So make your selection, collect them, and set up a flow for yourself to easily track and select new content to talk about. Every time I find something new I want to keep, I will add the link to my content aggregation agent. This agent will create a report of each source or idea I will provide. It will provide me a title, a short summary of the topic, some numbers that are available in the article, a full story of the article, and the conclusion. And of course, a list of additional sources that the AI agent has found. This way, I build up a library of reports of potential topics to create content about later. The next step is using my blog creator agent. I select a topic from the content aggregation agent and copy the report from that into the blog creator agent. In turn, the blog creator agent creates a blog post based on a structure I provided and a conclusion. It will also add a list of hashtags and a marketing message. With the blog creator agent, I go back and forth and have a discussion to improve the article, do some extra research until I'm happy with the result. When the blog article is done, I will copy it into my tone and voice agent. This agent will rewrite the article, do some grammar checks, and make sure it will fit my personal tone and voice and supports my mission and vision. Now I will add this into my Medium blog. I will add the article there, provide some customized images, and will add my personal opinion, some tips and some personal lessons I learned. And then I will publish the article. Next, I want to create a video about the topics of the article. And to do so, I will take the link of my blog, the Medium blog, and add it to my video script agent. The video script agent will then provide me a script that will break down the article in scenes. Per scene, it would provide me a description of the audio or spoken text, a description of the visuals, may it be images, video, or a recording that I have to take of myself. At the end, it will provide a call to action message. I will review the script and make changes and additions on it, and once starting recording myself. And in the end, I will search for all the visuals and start editing everything in Canva. When everything is created and reviewed and edited, it's time for promotion. My campaign agent will help me with this task. I add the link of my blog post again to the campaign agent, and she will provide me customized messages I can share on several platforms. Each message has a highlight and action to the reader to trigger some comments, and I add the links to my sources, being the article or the video. I could also ask it to make a schedule for 1 or 2 weeks, but I already know how to schedule my posts, so most of the time I just ask it to give me a list of messages. Next, I will manually post and schedule the posts in Meta Scheduler or do scheduled posts via LinkedIn. Last but not least, I want to share the content I've created with my newsletter readers. My newsletter agent will take some URLs from my articles and provide me with a customized introduction, some highlights of each article, some best practices, some tips and tricks, and a call for action, all customized based on the articles that I have provided. Next, I will add the links and send out the newsletter with Gmail, where I have a template created, and use mail merge to send out bulk email to all of my readers. So, as you could see, I broke down the whole content creation process in several steps. For each step, I have created a specific AI agent with prompt engineering. This way, each agent does a single task and you can craft a prompt with a specific focus. So, this was it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And please do share your thoughts in the comments. It's my first video. I'm eager to hear your feedback. See you in the next video.